Okay guys, it's finally here. This is Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Let's unbox it. My version is 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage. And the color is just a second, but I cannot see where the color is written, so we need to unbox this device. Now let's review the device itself. Let's see the color and everything, but before that you can see that's everything in the box. In the upper part of the box, what we have here, typical for Mate series, we have this dark paper wrapped around the phone. Let's put it aside. Guys, this time I ordered this device from averagedat.com. You can check the link in video description, and I'm pretty happy with my order because everything went very smooth. I received even a European adapter for the charger. So the device is very expensive, but you can check that in the link. Probably in future I will continue ordering from there because the whole process was very smooth and without any problems, and even the support was a nice surprise. So let's continue with the unboxing. What we have here in the middle department, we have some typical books, and of course we have a typical case. Of course we have a SIM ejector tool, and we have a typical case for the Mate series, which is something I don't like because it's not very protective, but it is like a hard case protecting only the corners, not the sides. But my biggest problem with this case is it's very slippery, but this one is a little bit sticky, so I hope it will be better. It's not so hard plastic this time, but I will check it, and I like that it's transparent and I can see my device. Let's put it aside for a minute. Let's now check the box, the cable. What we have about the cable, we have USB-C to USB-C. So we have USB-C on both sides, and this trend starts from Huawei Pura 70 Ultra, but we have USB-C to USB-C now. What else we have? Let's check the charger. It is 100 watt Huawei dual charger with USB-C and USB-A ports. Now enough about the box, cables and everything else. Now let's go to the main, the show star. And this is, guys, the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus with this color. This is just stunning, just a stunning color. Wow, 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 it's very, very beautiful. Let's check the sides. It's just stunning, guys. It's not with flat sides, which is something I like. We have that curved screen, 2.5 curve on every edge. Do we have a... Yes, we have a pre-installed screen protector, and the back is just stunning. Just this color is... I'm without any words. To me, this is the most beautiful device I unboxed this year, and this color is just absolutely stunning, and it is something new. You can see it's like a ballast. I'm not sure what exactly is this, but it's very beautiful. And the camera ring is not so bold like on Vivo phones, and even it is very thick, but it is covered very well and it's beautiful. Yes, for sure, this device is very beautiful. What we have in the bottom, of course, we have here the loudspeaker, USB-C, a microphone and SIM tray. On this side is completely empty, only the antenna bars. On top we have, I'm not sure, we have here the loudspeaker, and on that side I think we have a secondary microphone, an infrared blaster, and I'm not sure what is the third hole. Here we have, of course, the power button, which should doubles as a fingerprint tool, and also we have a volume rocker. On the back of the device we have here the star of the show, these cameras. The details of these rings are just perfect, and the The sides of the device are made from titanium, so the feeling is so premium. So speaking about the cameras, this is the main camera of the device, which is super spotlight camera, 50 megapixel, and it goes from f1.4 to f4.0 with variable aperture. You can see it now, it's almost closed. Of course, here we have an optical image stabilization, and also on the Pro Plus model, which this one is, we have that RYYB color calibration of the sensor. Because of the Huawei Mate 70 Pro without Plus, we have RGB sensor, which is the standard one everyone is using. Here on the left side we have an ultra wide camera, 40 megapixel f2.2. Pro Plus device again is with RYYB color calibration, the other models are not. And here is the super light focusing macro and telephoto camera with periscope zoom. Of course, you can see it inside, and it is 48 megapixel sensor with 4x optical zoom, f2.1 large aperture with optical image stabilization again, and color calibration again. Here is RYYB. What this stands for: every device, every manufacturer is using RGB format, which stands its particular arrangement of color filters is used in most single chip digital image sensor used in digital cameras and camcorders to create a color image. The filter pattern is half green, 1/4 red and 1/4 blue. Huawei create a different color calibration, same as Huawei P30 Pro. It is half yellow, 1/4 is red and 1/4 is blue. So we are dropping here the green, instead they are putting a yellow, which Huawei claims that this is the most accurate color calibration of the pictures, and the whole pictures should be close to real life, what your eyes can see. But this time we have that color calibration on all of these three sensors. And here, this small guy here is a red maple primary color camera, which is 1.5 megapixel, and it is here to calibrate properly the colors of every image. But I will test that in the future. Of course, we have a flashlight and we have fake circle like a fake camera lens, which is something I don't like. The camera arrangement and the whole back reminds me a little bit of Mate 50 Pro, but of course this one is even better. Huawei claims some big words about this device, like 5 times improved wear resistance. Probably this is because of the titanium sides they are using. 20 times improved drop resistance, because we have here a second generation Kunlun glass, and 5 times impact resistance. I'm not sure that's even what is standing for, but we have here an IP69 water resistant certificate. Under this beautiful cover we have a 5700 milliamps of battery, so the battery should be just brutal on this device because it's using Harmony OS, and we know how efficient Harmony OS is, and without all the Google services in it. Until we are watching front part of the device, we have here a 6.9 inch OLED display with 1 to 120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, and we have 1440 Hz high frequency PWM dimming and 300 Hz touch sampling rate. And we have, of course, the display itself is Full HD Plus. It is 2832 by 1316 pixels resolution. The screen has a quad curve design with 1.07 billion colors and 2500 nits peak brightness and P3 light color gamut. Of course, guys, this device comes with the new CPU, which is Kirin 9020 paired with Maleon 920 GPU. And you can see we have here a side fingerprint, which is something, to be honest, I like. Because this will be very quick and very correct, and it will not care about your screen protector. And we are ready with the fingerprint. Now let's set up the face unlock. We have a 13 megapixel front camera, f2.4 aperture, and a 3D depth camera sensor on the front. Here, this is because of the face unlocking, and probably this is on par with the iPhone. And I have a video with Mate 60 Pro. It's even faster than the iPhone 3D depth sensor, even in a pitch black. Let's set up it, and it's ready. And that's it, Harmony OS. And we already have here a software update to Harmony OS 4.3, which is very big, 1.5 gigabytes. And we can download and install this update. I will do this later, but at that moment, this is the Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, guys, and I just want to check what's happened here with the camera. It's very fast. Now let's test the fingerprint. Just tap the power button. You can see this beautiful always on display, and it's very fast, of course. That's what I like about those kind of fingerprints. It's just always there. You can just touch it and it's always fast and secure. Of course, we have here just the best face recognition. It's immediately unlocked. This is Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. Of course, I will go very in deep. This was just my first impressions of this device and unboxing experience. I'm a little bit hyped, but this is a very beautiful device. I like it a lot. Now I will test some pictures and start using and do Google setup and everything I can do on this device. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.